Now, as you can see, there's plenty to do here at Clerbrook RV Resort, but first I got to get settled in. As a Thousand Trails member visiting an Encore park, it's not uncommon to be, put in a less desirable space, one that's short, narrow, has sharp turns. Thousand Trails members are sort of the red-headed stepchildren of Encore parks. But this wasn't the case here at Clerbrook. I got a nice wide and long spot right between two park models. It was really kind of perfect. So now, what to do with myself? There's so many activities here. What do I choose? Clerbrook has not one, not two, but three swimming pools here, and I soaked in every single one of them. The resort also has 3 different clubhouses and activity centers to choose from as well. I can't say I did as much socializing here as I would have liked to, but I did partake in a Christmas potluck here. You know, I always like to see wood shops at campgrounds. I've never done anything in one, but I'm going to. Someday I will. Now, usually there's somebody that oversees it, and they'll kind of help you with your projects, and it was no exception here. Someday I'm going to make something at a wood shop. The library is huge here. I love seeing big libraries like this, but I have to admit, I read 4 books a year. I have 4 books going at a time, and they take me a year to read. I would love to someday have enough time to actually take a book off the shelf and read it. As far as I can tell, the golf course looks really nice. I'm not a golfer, though. I have had somebody take me out to the driving range, and they said I could hit the ball a mile. Why don't I play? I don't know. Just never got into it. I used to be a pretty fair softball player, but those days are long gone. I probably haven't set foot on a field in 20 years, and I certainly didn't want to intrude on these folks' practice. So with all these wonderful activities to choose from, what did I spend most of my time doing here during my 2 weeks at Clerbrook? Yeah, with this fantastic facility only a mile or 2 away, yeah, I couldn't help myself. I played a lot of pickleball every day. I have no complaints about Clerbrook. Everything was great, from the site, the activities, the facilities, and the location. Everything was just really perfect. I would definitely stay here again. Now, I stayed at this Encore Park with my Thousand Trails membership. At the Thousand Trails in Orlando, I met several people who bounced back and forth between this park and that one. And the best thing about it, of course, is that it's free. If you'd like to find out more about the Thousand Trails membership, please check out my description page and don't forget to mention my name. If this information has been helpful to you, please do me a huge favor. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. All right, guys, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.